we are at that point in the season when it's like, when is spring going to be here? Well, the ever stylish Afiya Francisco is going to help us beat the midwinter blahs.
Yes, Annette, you said it. And you know what? Valentine's Day is also next week, so there's stuff to celebrate and look forward to. Potentially, some people are going, I don't like it.
Yeah, I can't wait till Valentine's Day is over.
Exactly.
And others are like, I can't wait till Valentine's Day.
That's it, exactly. So no matter where you sit in that camp, I have something for you, right?
Okay.
You're admiring this look, so let's start here, right?
This is a really cool outfit.
Isn't it? Okay, so this is from Marshall's, as are all these accessories in front of me. And what I love about this, Annette, is that it's a set. So it really takes the guesswork out of things, but it's chic, it's comfortable. So if you are in the camp of, I don't want to do anything, it's cozy and comfortable inside. But if you are going out, still cozy and comfortable, I think pajamas are probably my first pick, and then this might be second.
Maybe unelevated.
Right, exactly.
But I like how you've paired it. So it's a big chunky sweater with just a plain white blouse. But then the fact that it's a skirt and a long skirt, and I'm like, if you wore that over leggings, that would be like just so easy and kind of dressed up.
Right, exactly. Looks like you made a little bit of effort, but it really took no time, and it's winter appropriate, weather appropriate, so you're still going to be comfy and warm. So I love this. That's Marshall's.
Very cool.
Now, in addition to that, if we're at the point, as you said, that we're just like, come on, spring, like let's go. You don't have any travel plans booked. I'm going to say maybe invest in a couple coffee table books that will take you away to a faraway place, even if you're just sitting on your couch. So while it might be like a little bit of a tease, it also is inspiring to know that seasons change, there's a whole wide world out there, and potentially with some planning, in time, who knows when, but it's fun to just imagine and dream. So if there's some beautiful book options, this one's from Africa, Venice, and I just love combing through the pages just to kind of whisk away a little bit of escapism, and it just kind of takes a little bit of the edge off the winter.
Yeah, kind of a nice thing to do on a rainy day like today,
yeah, exactly, right? And then similarly, the way you start and end your day can really impact your overall day. So micro moments I'm suggesting. Not all of us have time for full baths in the whole business. So maybe it's just going to be a mindful card at your bedside table or a mood light so that, we know like with sad, it's a light situations oftentimes. So we might want to have the light or soothing sounds, just little moments that just kind of remind you like, okay,
everything's going to be okay.
Everything's going to be okay.
And if not, there's pasta.
Yeah, exactly. And then you really feel okay. Is there anything more
okay.
comforting than Italian food? Porta is the first Italian meal delivery system in Ontario, so it's really beautiful, inspired by Italian food, fresh, hearty ingredients, flash frozen on site, so as fresh as it can possibly be, restaurant quality, so no prep, no mess, virtually everything can be done within 15 minutes, and if I can do it, I'm telling you, anybody can do it.
Okay.
It's fantastic, Annette.
So what kind of, so I'm seeing here,
like different pasta options. You see the pizza there.
Yeah, and ravioli.
Yes, and then they have all the different sauces. So you can get subscriptions. They are weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So depending on how often you want the service. Oh, and I should mention, I have a code if anybody does want to try it.
Let's do that.
Afiya 30, you can get 30% off. So you want to check it out. You think like, you can see how beautifully it's packaged. You can get the size that you want. Afiya 30, A-F-I-Y-A, will get you 30% off. So that's Porta. And also for Valentine's Day, they've introduced 3 new dessert flavors. So if you're like me, the dessert might be the hook that wants you to make you get there.
Maybe you make the dessert first. Yeah. Yes, yeah. So when you're doing that, can you can you narrow it down to, okay, I need to feed so many people and...
Yeah, so I think what it is that it's 6 menu items is a small box, and then it goes up medium, large, and so depending on your needs. So as you saw in my box there, I had 2 pizzas, I had 2 pastas, plus this pastry, plus the dessert, and I think that's considered a small box. So that gives you an indication of how much, And
is that a subscription thing, or can you just order?
That's right. So it is a subscription base, so you can do a weekly order, or you can do bi-weekly or monthly or bi-monthly, I think it is. But you can also do a trial, so you can see if it's for you, and if not, then no long-term commitment there, so you can just give it a go.
Okay, great. And you've got all kinds of little things here, like all kinds of little ways to kind of just treat yourself. Like that's self-care is so important, especially on days like today.
Exactly, especially the days today, especially like days like Valentine's. We were kind of being a little bit cheeky, but for some people it is a difficult day. So the most important relationship, not to be cheesy, is the one with yourself, right?
Exactly.
And so I think that these little moments in time are just a way to kind of give that love back to the most important person, which is yourself. So that's where I'm gonna. That's what I'm gonna say for Valentine's.
All right, we love having you on the show. We'll get all your socials up on our website at chch.com.